Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see important protein histidine. Histidine, an amino acid, can be heat sensitive under certain conditions, especially when subjected to high temperatures during processes like cooking or sterilization. The sensitivity is due to the instability of the imidazole side chain, which can undergo chemical changes such as deamination, decarboxylation, or the formation of various degradation products. Histidine is an essential amino acid important for growth and tissue repair. Here are some foods rich in histidine. 1. Meat and poultry. Chicken, turkey, beef, pork. 2. Fish and seafood. Tuna, salmon, cod, mackerel. 3. Dairy products. Milk, cheese, especially hard cheeses like Parmesan and cheddar. Yogurt. 4. Eggs, whole eggs, egg whites. 5. Legumes. Soybeans, lentils, chickpeas, kidney beans. 6. Nuts and seeds. Sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds. 7. Whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat. Including these foods in your diet can help ensure adequate intake of histidine. When exposed to high heat. 1. Degradation. Histidine can degrade, resulting in the loss of its nutritional and functional properties. 2. Maillard reaction. It can participate in Maillard reactions with reducing sugars, leading to browning and the formation of complex flavor compounds, some of which might be undesirable. Thanks.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.